welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and thank you to all my subscribers. Sorry, I haven't put out a video in a while. Your girl has been in the hospital due to gallstones, but praise God, I'm out, I'm doing better. He got your girl back. But I'm excited. When I came home, I had a box waiting for me. My Boxycharm. So this video, just gonna be unboxing my June Boxycharm and let you guys see what I received in my box. And you guys know, about Boxycharm. This prescription box is $21 a month, and you get over $100 worth of high-end brands, skincare products, makeup, even hair care products. So they hook it up. They never disappoint. So stay tuned. Watching me unbox it. I'm excited. Okay, let's get this little sharp razor thing. Let's open it up. Always excited when I get my boxes. Of course, you can't see it yet. Okay, so this is the theme, Boxycharm Getaway. Cute little card. And on the back, it have like all the products and what they retail for. I'm gonna read it out to you guys. Oh, so the first item is Skin & Company. So this is the Skin & Company Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. Cool. This retails for $25. Can't wait to try this. Try this on myself and my clients. And on the back, you have all the ingredients and tell you it's suitable for all skin types and the directions. So how many ounces? It's 3.38 ounces. All right, the next item, In Touch Soul. Yay, I have another primer from them. I love their primers. So this is the No Poreblem Prime Essence. Let's open it up. So this is 1.01 ounces. Oh, this is a cute little tube it comes in. Look at that. Cool. Yeah, I know I already gotta try it. I'm always trying something just to see how I feel. And oh, it's more like a liquidy gel. So I wonder how it does as a primer during makeup. So of course I'll be trying that out. So let's see. So the Touch in Soul, what I always say it backwards. So the Touch in Soul No Poreblem Prime Essence retails for $23. I'm telling y'all, I mean, there's some amazing products in here, and it's just only for $21 a month. And the next one is Dominique Cosmetics, and this retails for $17. Let's try it out. Nice gloss, nice color. Have like a little pink lemonade tint to. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, guys. You can smell it as soon as you put it on. It smells so good. That's pretty cool. Dirty Little Secret. This is a lip liner. It retails for $15. I don't know what color. Oh, Rosy Posy. That's the color. I bet this is so pretty as a lip liner. Let's open it and see. Y'all know me, I got open and try it. I'd be too excited. And another thing that I like by Boxycharm, it introduces you to like a lot of really good brands, like seriously. So let's see. This would go perfect with my lemonade lip gloss. Look at that. Love it. And it glides on really smooth. Alright guys, so the last item in this awesome box. Yay, Tarte. I love Tarte. So this is the Tarte Be You Naturally Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to swatch it. But this is the box it comes in. So cute. And it says Be You Naturally. Let's open it. Yay! Oh, so this is like the palette itself, not the colors. The palette itself is kind of like my my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. See, it's kind of like that, but it's different patterns. But but yeah, this is cool. Let's open it. Yep, it is. Oh, and I love the colors. I love the neutral colors. So pretty. And yeah, let's watch it. This one ad, I'm using the Skin and Company to cleanse my hand off. You know, I had to try that. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I just had to add this in there. This right here. I love it. Like soon as I put it on here, this is a whipped cleansing cream, and it feels like you just putting on like a very smooth moisturizing lotion. Can you imagine it on your face when you're washing off your makeup and stuff? Oh my gosh, yes, I cannot wait. And it smells so good, so good. Okay, now that my hand is clean, time to get off into the swatches. Feels really smooth. Oh wow, Sunbeam is beautiful. Hope the camera can give it justice. Like, this is beautiful. Ooh, I'm excited. Daybreak. And these colors, like, it glides on like really smooth. Wow. And now Daybreak, that's a matte color. I'm sorry. And the first one was like a satin finish. So yeah, very pretty. And usually the matte colors goes on kind of chalky, but this is like really smooth and buttery feeling. And look at that pigment. Now the next color, I said I was gonna call it out, but I am. Glacier. Oh wow, nice pigment. That's a nice soft neutral pink. So yeah. Cool. So this is the next color. Wow, so pretty, guys. I am loving it. Next color. That. Okay, so the last two colors was Crystallized and Tropical. So this is Crystallized and there's Tropical. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna wipe that off. So the last 3 colors. Earthy. Cool, neutral color. Dusk. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And explore. Soft brown neutral. And it's so soft. Gosh, I love it. So yeah, okay, I love these colors. I cannot wait to do a look with this. I'm excited about this. Yes, thank you Boxycharm for always hooking your girl up with $21 boxes. Okay guys, this concludes the video of my June Boxycharm unboxing. Wonderful, wonderful products. Like I said, Boxycharm, they never disappoint. So if you guys are not subscribed to this monthly box, $21 a month, I mean, and you get all high-end brands. I mean, how can you beat that? Maybe over $100 worth of products with $21 a month. Like, this is the bomb, y'all. So yes, I'm excited. As you guys can tell, I'm excited about my box. I cannot wait to play in these. I'm just so happy, guys, that like, I'm just so happy that I feel so much better. Like, I thank God. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And I'm gonna make sure I leave my link below for Boxycharm, so click on my link if you're interested in subscribing to this awesome box. So enjoy the next video, guys. Be blessed. Bye.